my beautiful people. I'm in the beautiful city of Wroclaw. My name is Marina. Welcome to my Holiday Addict channel. Looking for your next weekend away, but want somewhere different than well-worn, over-discovered Barcelona or Paris? Let me introduce you to Wroclaw in Poland, a city bursting with history, culture and charm. Wroclaw nestled in the heart of Poland, from its medieval architecture to its lovely streets and stunning bridges. Wroclaw is a place of unique beauty and a real hidden gem. This vibrant city offers rich history with stories waiting to be explored and great restaurants with a delicious Polish and international food. So, what should you do when you visit Wroclaw? Stick around to find out. People making so many wishes here. Look, it's already wobble. Probably spending a lot of money on repairs. Look at this. 4th of February, they only taken the Christmas tree down. And on the back there, still some Christmas decorations left. So they only taken everything down now. This is a Wroclaw University and they've got a museum inside which you must go have a look. Remember, it's closed on Wednesdays. If you're not here on Wednesday, just walk through this door and prepare to be amazed. Oratorium Orionum is a very beautiful music hall located in the University Museum. Thanks to its excellent acoustics, it's become one of the main music halls in Wroclaw. Paganini and Anton Rubinstein another gave concert here. In 1902, here was created an Arturo organ, but it was destroyed in 1945. During World War I, it was a part of hospital established in university building, and decorations paintings were significantly damaged. And you can imagine that during the siege in Wroclaw in 1945, it was virtually destroyed. The 18th century Aula Leopoldina considered to be one of the most beautiful Baroque halls in the world, and I quite agree with that. It's undoubtedly beautiful. Since 2016, hall was renovated extensively and the renovation cost around 7 million Polish zloty. It's about 1.5 million pounds to bring it to former glory. Well, I just asked a lady there and she said to me that this auditorium is still used for ceremony, for some high students, for like doctors, or if somebody gets PhD. So yes, it's not just a museum. They still get used very rarely, but maybe 2-3 times a year. If you buy all 4 tickets, which is not a lot, just over a fiver, 25 zloty, 25 something. I will check and I put on the screen exact amount, I can't remember now. So you can see 2 beautiful auditorial, tiny museum, and you can come up here on this beautiful, beautiful platform, and the views are stunning. And I'm so lucky with the weather. Didn't expect to be so warm and sunny. I could have even had my sunglasses with me, which I didn't take. And from here you can see modern part and Old Town or Stare Miasto. If you are in Wroclaw for a very short time and only want to do one thing, visiting University Museum should be that. In my opinion anyway, it's just breathtaking. Well, Museum of University was just amazing, and now I'll try to find something to eat. But when I walk around, I want to just say one thing. How amazing to travel this time of the year. It's 4th of February. It's beautiful, it's sunny, it's quiet. I could walk around the museum, I can talk to myself, I could talk to other people. And I don't have to go through all this crowd. So, winter, if you want to visit cities, always go in the winter. 9 out of 10 times you will be lucky if you're in Europe. Very rarely rain. And if you end up in the snow, it's actually quite nice. You're gonna have beautiful snowy pictures. This is a Pizza Hut building, but did you notice on top of it, it's like a globe inside the building. These animals here is a sort of memorial to all the died animals in the past and sort of in the future, because this is used to be a slaughter area for all the animals. You see there on the floor, just all this area, was for all the blood going down. If you don't have enough chat at home, you can get some more here. This 8-meter chair was installed here in 2011. It's a 4th of this kind. The largest one is actually in Oslo, was installed in 1971. And right there, just that building there, is a contemporary theatre. This is one of the reason why is this chair located in this location. You probably noticed that not many places I actually name as their own names, because half of the stuff I can't pronounce. Yes, I'm quite rubbish of saying, especially if it's something really complicated. I can barely speak English or Russian, and I definitely not try to pronounce Polish names because I don't want to make it sound horrible or mispronounce it and make it sound not nice. So I'm going to be putting on my video the name of the churches, the name of the bridges, and also, but some of the things were quite easy. So sorry about that. Look, sun going down and sky getting slightly pinkish. Looks pretty. Don't know what this is supposed to mean on top of the building. If you know, let me know in the comments. Can you see all these signs? Is a lot of them, and they kind of seems to be there random. But this is the old sign, the sign which was banned, and this is the resting place. It's a museum of broken signs or cemetery. So you decide how you can call. Unfortunately, none of them is light up anymore. This is quite cool. I mean, see, this one looks like really old, like 70s communist type sign. A lot of them. I wish they still be light up, but unfortunately they are not. This is a little street just outside of the Neon Light Street. It's a slightly quiet because obviously it's in the middle of the week. It's Tuesday today. I don't think many people will be partying on Tuesday night. But I can imagine on the weekends this place gets packed. Lovely church. Like everywhere else, I think in Europe, a lot of closed places. I notice there's a lot of shops or restaurants, I don't know what was here before, close the doors. Busy now, everybody going home. Wroclaw has just over 600,000 people live here, and it's the third largest city in Poland. It was quiet earlier on, but now it's quite busy. Big flower market on the square. This is the oldest restaurant in Europe, as you can see, 1273. I hope you're enjoying this video, and this is just a gentle reminder. Please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave some little comments, because YouTube algorithm promote the interactive videos. And if you even put just a little smiley in comments, I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance. So I didn't have a dinner there because I had a dinner in really nice place, very nice pierogi place. I show a couple of pictures. I didn't film them because it was really busy, and I'm not really food critic. I just like my food. I just love to eat, but it was lovely. Here is quite expensive. Whole my meal will cost less than here just for one dish, and I thought I'm gonna go there for a drink. And I was very disappointed. I was expecting something really old, really nice, really traditional, but I ended up just with white walls and no customers whatsoever. I was on my own there. So yes, take picture from outside. There you are, oldest restaurant in Europe and one of the oldest in the world, but I wouldn't recommend to go there to eat. Or maybe you have been there. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe food is amazing. Let me know in the comments. I had my dinner in Pirogarnia Rynek 26. It was a very lovely place with amazing atmosphere and food was fantastic and prices were very good. When you're in Poland, you have to try Polish pretzels. They come in different flavor, sweet and savory. And of course, don't forget to try pączki, which is a Polish version of donut. And they are filled with jam or other goodies. It's getting late, it's time to finish my day for today, and I'm on the way to my hotel. So this is where I'm staying. Great Polonia, I think it's called Wharf. So the front is not bad and it's a main road. Well, not main, side road. But on the back, looks a bit dodgy. It's about So let's have a look. What's the room look like? And then I will tell you how much I pay for one night. So there you are, my hotel room. I have a single room because obviously I'm on my own. So it's just single bed. I've got table. I do have TV. It's nice, clean. Very small pillow though. It's always small pillows for some reason. And very large bathroom. Considering the room is not very big. It looks really clean and I'm very pleased. Like I said, it's 15 minutes walk from main town, the old town, and it cost me £30 for one night. Can't go wrong. And that's a wrap for day one here in Wroclaw. I explored some of the city's most iconic spots, but there's so much to see and do. And tomorrow I will dive even deeper into the heart of this incredible city. So I see you in a part 2. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel that you don't miss the part 2 of this incredible city.